Hello, beautiful souls. This is Rashmi Anata. Very good morning to all of you. And I recently did a weekly reading, and some people may be surprised. I don't do this frequently, the video readings. But people who know me or follow me on my FB page, that is Rashmi Anata, by the login of Anata19, they know that I daily do the Angel Zodiacs. But from some time, I need to admit it and to be honest that I'm getting a very strong pull and a message from the universe that I should do some readings regarding the energies of the day. Now, what are exactly the energies of the day? See, every day has its own energy, जिसके accordingly अगर हम काम करते हैं या हम उसको follow करते हैं तो वो हमें help करता है in achieving what we desire. That is the reason, in our Vedic culture, we do go to the pundits and astrologers or the wise people to know which day is good for doing what. So I'm getting many messages from the universe and the Divine Mother to do the reading for the energies of the day. But to be honest, I really don't know for how many days I'll be able to continue it. But I cannot ignore this message, and to give it a start, I'm doing these cards for the energies of the day. So I'll try to post these videos regarding the energies of the day in the morning, that is by 6:30, and you can definitely subscribe to my channel so that in the morning you can get the message as soon as you start your day. And I hope and pray that this helps you a lot, because if the message is coming to me from the universe and the angels and the guide, it must be having a relevance. I strongly believe that. So I'm starting with the energies of the day for today, and let's see that today on Tuesday, what are the energies of the day and what it is that the universe is trying to tell us, so that we can put in a lot of efforts in alignment with the universal energies. So let's get started and see what are the energies of the day. I have taken out 2 cards. And before I start the reading, Ekta Manchandani, this reading is dedicated to you for all the beautiful cards, and lots of love to you, and may God bless you in abundance. So let's get started and see what are the energies of the day. So the first card I'm taking out is basically what is there you need to focus today. Okay, that is how we'll be reading the cards, and that is how we are going to tap into the energies. So as you can see that the first card which has come is of Swan Spirit, and the tagline for it is time for a deep dive. So guys, today I like to tell you कि कई बार हमें ये चीज़ लगती है कि हमें सब पता होता है. ओके, हमें पता है कि हमें आगे कैसे जाना है, हम अवेयर हैं, हमारे पास नॉलेज है, विजडम है, एंड इन दैट ऑल दैट फॉग ऑफ लॉट ऑफ confidence and lot of knowledge, sometimes we do miss out the minute and the finest details. तो अभी आज मैं आपको बोलूंगी कि आपकी जो भी बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं या जिस चीज के लिए आप आज अपने दिन को फोकस करना चाहते हैं, तो प्लीज कंटेम्पलेट ऑन दैट इशू. अगर आपके फाइनेंसेस ठीक नहीं चल रहे हैं, या आपको आज कोई पर्टिकुलर काम करना है, या आज आपकी कोई इंपॉर्टेंट मीटिंग है, बी केयरफुल दैट यू डोंट लूज इट just out of the overconfidence कि आपको सब कुछ पता है. So this is a alarm bell to all those who are going for something very important today, that dive in deep. हो सकता है कि मीटिंग के पहले आपको कोई इम्पोर्टेंट क्लू हो, या आपको कोई इम्पोर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन ऐसी मिल जाए जिससे कि मीटिंग आपके फेवर में हो जाए, या आपका काम आपके फेवर में हो जाए. अगर आप यू आर इनटू बिजनेस, तो मे बी सम टेंडर्स, सम contracts will be coming your way, but you need to have the complete information, and for that you really need to deep dive in. हम जितना ज़्यादा नीचे जाकर, जितना ज़्यादा कंटेम्पलेट करके, जितना ज़्यादा डीप डाइविंग हम करते इंटरनली विद द इंफॉर्मेशन वी आर हैविंग, we will come out with more perfection and more efficiency. So आज इस चीज़ को इग्नोर बिल्कुल ना करें. Have the information as much. See, if you are having an elaborative information on the work front or on the personal front, it is not going to harm you. you may not use that additional information, that's your choice. लेकिन आज ignore नहीं करना है. The power of knowledge should not be ignored. The power of deep contemplation should not be ignored. The power of knowing more should not be ignored. If you are a healer or you're into occult or you're doing something, don't ignore that. Don't come into that zone कि मुझे सब कुछ आता है और मुझे आगे कुछ भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है. I have done whatever I was supposed to do, because this will definitely not be good for you. तो आज आपको कंटेम्पलेट करना है, आत्ममंथन करना है. आज आपको देखना है कि क्या आप और अपने बकेट में आप और कौन सा इंफॉर्मेशन या नॉलेज या विजडम आप कलेक्ट कर सकते हो. और आज आपको बहुत सारे ऐसे भी लोग अप्रोच करेंगे जो कि आपकी हेल्प लेंगे, आपकी आपका सपोर्ट मांगेंगे फॉर देयर वर्क. तो उसको भी इग्नोर मत करिएगा, बिकॉज द नॉलेज, द विजडम, द एक्सपीरियंस यू हैव अर्न्ड, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू गिव इट टू अदर्स, इट इज डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू बी बेनिफिटेड टू यू. और आपको उससे मॉनेटरी बेनिफिट भी मिलेगा, दैट आई कैन टेल यू फॉर श्योर. आज आप वो सीड डालेंगे हेल्प करने का, अनकंडीशनल हेल्प करने का दूसरों को, तो द यूनिवर्स विल डेफिनेटली ब्रिंग दैट बैक टू यू. तो आज उसको इग्नोर मत करिएगा, बिकॉज मेनी टाइम्स इट हैपेंस दैट वी सी कि हमें मॉनेटरी बेनिफिट नहीं है किसी को एडवाइस देने में या किसी को हेल्प करने में, तो हम उसको इग्नोर कर जाते. डोंट डू दैट. ओके, सो जस्ट कीप इन माइंड दैट टुडे यू रियली नीड टू, इट्स टाइम टू डाइव डीप and get the information which is not been there in front of our eyes. Okay, the second card which is I'm getting is Keepers of the Earth, and the message is you're not alone, ancient ancestors stand beside you. तो आज हमें रेमेडीज में क्या करना है, हमें अपने एंसेस्टर्स को कॉल करना है. इफ यू आर गोइंग फॉर अ मीटिंग, इफ यू आर गोइंग फॉर अ बिजनेस प्रपोजल, इफ यू आर गोइंग, इवन अगर आप रेगुलर कोर्स में अपना कोई काम कर रहे हैं, तो प्लीज आज अपना दिन शुरुआत करिए बाय कॉलिंग योर एंसेस्टर्स. अपने डे की शुरुआत करिए बाय पेइंग ग्रैटिट्यूड टू देम, एंड डू कॉल योर एंजल्स एज वेल, बिकॉज टुडे यू विल नीड देम. एज द कार्ड सेज टाइम टू डीप डाइव. तो अगर आप डीप डाइव इन का कार्ड देखते हैं, तो इज द हेवनली टीम विच इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू. आपको जो विजडम मिलेगी दैट विल बी बाय योर एंसेस्टर्स, बाय योर फोरफादर्स, बाय योर ग्रैंड फॉर ऑल फ्रॉम योर लीनेज, जो कि आपको ब्लेस करने के लिए आए हैं. तो कहीं पे भी आप अटक रहे हैं, आपका कोई काम ऐसा आज दिन में कहीं पे भी रुके या अटके, तो प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट यू कॉल अपॉन द एंजल्स, you call upon your ancestors, you call upon your divine team. If you are connected with any deity, to call upon, like I always with each and every breath of mine I call upon the divine mother. So अगर आप वहाँ पे stuck हो रहे हैं, please immediately call for the help and the help will be granted. And it is a day to pray gratitude to your ancestors. अपना दिन शुरू करने के पहले एक बार just close your eyes and from your heart send all the love, send all the blessings, send all the gratitude to your ancestors, to all those people to whom you're connected by blood, by genes, and they are, you are a part of their lineage, and they have been the reasons for your existence. So don't forget to do that. It is a very important ritual to be done today, and then you will see that you will sail through beautifully through the day and nothing is going to stop you. So this was a small effort from my side to give you an idea of the energies of the day. If you guys liked it, do tell me you will like to see this for every day. I'll definitely try to post in, but initially I did got the guidance to do these kind of readings, so I'm doing that. Please don't forget to give your comments, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, because sharing is caring, and it will help a lot to other people who cannot afford for the readings or who need guidance or looking for the guidance. So it will help them as well, it will help me as well. So thank you for being there, and I'll be waiting for your feedbacks and comments as usual. Thank you. Have a blessed day ahead.